If you want to improve your English writing quickly and confidently, Grammarly is one of the easiest tools to start with. In this video, I'll show you how to use Grammarly step by step, how to check your writing for grammar and clarity, and how to apply suggestions to make your text sound cleaner and more professional. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Let's get into it. First, open the Grammarly editor in your browser, or open Grammarly inside the app you already use, like Microsoft Word. Once you're in, look for the option to start a new document. You can click New to create a blank document, or Upload if you already have text you want to improve. This makes it easy to work with anything from emails and essays to blog posts and business writing. Now, paste or type your text into the workspace. As soon as your writing is loaded, Grammarly will begin scanning it automatically. On the right side, you'll see your overall score, which gives you a quick idea of how strong your writing is. This score helps you understand whether your text is already polished or whether it still needs some improvement. Next, look through the underlined words and sentences in your document. Grammarly uses different colors to show different types of issues. If you click a red underlined word, Grammarly will usually show you a correctness suggestion. These are grammar and spelling fixes, and they're some of the most useful suggestions because they help make your writing more accurate right away. If you see blue underlines, click on those for clarity suggestions. These usually help rewrite sentences that are too wordy, unclear, or awkward. This is especially helpful if you want your writing to sound more natural and easier to read. Sometimes a sentence may technically be correct, but Grammarly can still improve it so your message comes across better. When a suggestion appears, you'll see a suggestion card with a recommended fix. If you want to apply it, just click the green Accept button. Grammarly will instantly update your text for you. This saves a lot of time because you don't have to manually rewrite every sentence yourself. You can go through your text one suggestion at a time and decide which changes you want to keep. As you review your writing, take your time and read each suggestion carefully. Grammarly is designed to help, but you should still make sure every correction matches your meaning and style. That's especially important if you're writing something formal, academic, or professional. The goal is not just to fix mistakes, but to help you become a stronger writer over time. If you're working on longer content, Grammarly can be really useful for improving flow, sentence structure, and readability across the whole document. You can use it for reports, resumes, cover letters, blog posts, assignments, and everyday messages. The more you use it, the easier it becomes to spot the kinds of mistakes you make most often. Another great habit is to review your final text after applying the suggestions. Read it from top to bottom one last time so you can make sure the tone sounds right and the message is clear. Sometimes a small change in wording can make a big difference in how professional your writing feels. And that's it. Now you know how to use Grammarly to improve English writing. You've learned how to open a document, add your text, review the overall score, check the underlined suggestions, and apply the fixes to make your writing better. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.